Welcome to Fanny Magnet. Right now in this video I'll show you how you can create your first web page using a Dreamweaver. If you have not checked my last video about how to create a website using HTML and Dreamweaver, do check that. It will help you to understand what I'm doing right now. So as you can see that I have already created a folder with the name web HTML, and inside that I have a folder that called images. Okay, in this I have already saved few pictures which I will be using for this website, and I have also created a banner for the website and few images. And also I have yesterday created a tutorial for how you can create a banner for your website. Do check that and you will come to know how to create one. So let's get started. So first I will open the Dreamweaver and then go to File and click on New, and it will ask you like what you want. They also have a few templates, okay, but we are going to start from the scratch. So I'll select HTML blank and will click on Create. So as you can see that I have already got the first page of my website. So first thing I will do, I will just save this. It's a blank, so first we'll save it on this location. Okay, that's my folder web HTML. And as I said yesterday that the first page of any website will be index. So I'll save it as index. Now click on save. Here we go. So everything I'm doing, I'm saving on this. As you can see that the file is already created. So everything I'm doing, I'm saving in this folder. The first I will create some tables and will put the banner. Then I will put some different pictures, and then I'll write little content and will also create few menu bars in order to understand more. So first I will go and click on insert and then click on table. And columns I will say let's keep it 1 for now. And pixels I have selected 900, as I will be making the whole banner of my web page is 900. So accordingly you can also select percentage wise. So I'll click on OK now. Here we go. So the first thing I will make it in this tables in the center. Here we go. And in the first I will put my cursor in the first row, and here I'll select left and top, and I'll click on that, and then I'll click on insert image, and this place I will put my banner. So as you can see that I have my banner here. Then I will leave this one row. If you want we can use it, or else I'll keep it blank. And in second row I like to add a menu options. Okay, so let's try how we can do. In order to do that you have to do the same. Click on insert, then click on table, and here you want one row that should be 100%, not in pixels. And in columns just say like I will be making like home, about us, services, contact. So that's 4. So I'll type here 8, as I will be leaving one space for one menu. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, select all the tables and click on center, and in this middle. Okay, so whatever you type, it will be in the center and it will be in the middle of that particular table. Home, about us, services, contact. That will be my menu options. And here I will be adding, I think I need few more rows, so I'll just make it 7. So you can see that you can edit the table even if you have created one. So here I will be putting what I will do here, I'll type some content first. So let's say this is my home page, and I will give this as a format as a heading 1. Okay, and I need some content here. So what I'll do, I'll go to Wikipedia and I'll copy some content from there. I just need a random content, so I'm just placing anything in that. In your website, you have to, you have to write your own content in order to. Here we go. Now here in this next line, I will be adding 3 pictures, and I will be writing content again on that. Okay, and you can align this content by same thing, like keep it as center, or you can just move it on left like that. Okay, so here I will be adding that. So here I'll go again. Let me minimize this. So in this next to table, click on insert, then table again, and here what I need, that is 3 pictures are there. So I'll select column as 6, and row I think I need 3, because 1 there will be picture, then space, and then content again, and that will be 100%. Okay, here we go. So I have selected all the tables I have created just now, and I have selected that, and here I'll select that as a left, and I will make it as a top. Okay, so I have selected the first row of the new table, and I'll click on insert image, and I'll select food 1, that's the name of the picture. Click OK. I'll give a space after 1 picture, and I'll select the second column. Click on insert image, food 2, and I'll leave 1 more, and I'll select insert image, and that will be food 3. Here we go. And I think in the first, I think it should not be a left. We can make it as a middle. Okay, so I have selected the first row and will make it as in center. So you can see that the images just move from left to center. So that's how we can make pictures. We can put pictures there. Now this we will leave a blank, this one, this row blank, and we'll come to here. Here I will be adding some content again, and I think this also should be in the center. So let's keep that also in center and in the middle. If you will try by yourself, you will understand what exactly this center and middle thing do. That's a really best part of the Dreamweaver. You can play it around. So I will be adding some content again. Here we go. Here we go. So I got 3 pictures and 3 content here. Then in the bottom, I think I need to add some more content. Let's take from here. I'll leave 1. Okay, we can type it here. That's a hyperlink, we can remove that. And here also we can make this as a middle, not middle, in the center. Here we go. Now you can see that the home page is completely created. Now only the thing is left is we need to give a hyperlink for this, and giving hyperlink is very simple. Just select that link and you have to give a hyperlink by clicking on this location. I'll definitely explain you about that also. And the last thing left, what we'll do, we can add, okay, let's keep it here. Okay, in the last line we can type something like designed by Fanny Magnet, and we can make it as center. Here we go. And this content we can put it in middle of the box. So we'll save it now and let's see how it looks. And as you can see that there is a little space on the top. If you want to remove that, just go to page properties and on left just keep 0, 0, 0 and 0. That's a margin, okay? So that's define how, you know, how you want to design your web page. So if I keep it 0, it will go up, you can see that. And if I keep, like, you know, the top, let's say 50, the web page will come down. You see that? And from bottom also we can make bottom, let's say 50. So we'll have a little space on the bottom also of the web page. So I'll click on save. Before clicking save, if you can see the title is untitled, so I'll just type the title as the best food website, and here we go. So I'll close this now and we'll minimize, and I'll go to my folder again. Now you can see that HTML, just double click on that, and here we go. As you can see that we have created a website. These are the links, this is content, then few pictures, then content again, and so on. And definitely you can move around with the web page and you can make a changes, okay? And if you want to make a border for the whole web page, we can do that. Let me show you how. So first thing I have to do, I have to select the first table which I have created. In the border you have to give a size of the border, and when I will refresh here, you can see that I got the border of the web page. So you just have to select the outer border and just give a border, like whatever border size you need. And let's try 1, 2, I think it's really big. Then save it, and when you will refresh here, you will see a border. So that's how the home page, that's how you make your first web page. So I will be making more videos on this, how you can create a web page in HTMLs, and finally we'll definitely move to WordPress. That will be very easy, but if you understand this whole concept, when you will make a website using a WordPress, it will be very easy for you to do a troubleshooting and to make changes which cannot be done using a plugins and the CMS. So this was a short video on how you can create a first web page. And if you think this video was helpful, hit the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.